Hey grade 12s, I don't want to see you struggling with sequence and series again, so I decided to make this playlist for you to understand. So please hit that like button and subscribe for you to get the complete playlist. So now dealing with sequence and series, what I'll be focusing on is the type of questions that you can expect that are definitely going to be there. First things first, you can't just apply any type of formula without knowing how to identify the types of sequences. So in this video, I'll be focusing on identifying these type of videos. How do you identify them? And so what is common with the identifying or the identification of these patterns rather is that it has something constant, right? It's either it's a difference or ratio. So let's start with geometric. There's a reason why I want you to start with geometric. So you first check if it has a constant ratio. If not, then it's not geometric. If it has, then it's geometric. You then go to check if your sequence has a constant difference. If it has a constant difference and if it's the first difference, then it's arithmetic. And then lastly, you check for the constant second difference. If it has one, then it's quadratic. So let's now move on. I think this is best explained with examples. How do you apply the information that I just gave you in examples? So you first check what are the ratios here. How do you find the ratio? Ratio is 9/5. Is 9/5 equals to 13/9? You just check the first three terms, then that's it. So this is the important info that you need to know. For arithmetic, you first check the first three terms, not the first three, but any three terms. Only if they are like that, like tn plus 1 and tn plus 2, the subsequent three terms. So for geometric, you also need three terms, and then for quadratic, that's when you need 4. So let's now check: are these the same? If you use your calculator, you're gonna find that these are not the same. So now, what do we do next? We check for constant differences. 9 minus 5 is 4. 13 minus 9 is 4. So now here, this is the differences, the first difference that we have, and it's constant. Therefore, this is arithmetic. Right? And then for here, I said we first look at the ratios, right? 2 divided by 1 is 2 and 4 divided by 2 is 2. We check the first three terms. Then we have a constant ratio, which is r. Therefore r is 2, right? Therefore this is the geometric. This is geometric because we have what? A constant ratio. Here it's arithmetic because we have a constant what? First difference. Why is it called the first difference? We just deducted t2 minus t1 for the first time, hence it's the first difference. And then here we check again. What is the ratio? 7 divided by 2 is not equals to it's 15 divided by 7. So we now look for what? For differences. What is 7 minus 2 is 5. 15 minus 7 is I think it's 8. And then 26 minus 15 is 11. So we just need since it's 5, 8, we now need to look at 4 because it can't be arithmetic. Let's check if it's quadratic. At this point, we're not sure yet. And then 8 minus 5 is 3. 11 minus 8 is also 3. Therefore, the what is this? The second difference is constant. This implies that our sequence is quadratic. Okay, I couldn't write that, but yeah, I hope you found this video informative. So please like and subscribe so that we can look at other type of questions that you can expect in sequence and series. I hope you enjoyed it. Cheers.